Hi, my name's Corey and I'm an instructor at the ASI Craft Center. Today I'm going to teach you how to do potato stamps, which you can use to make your own spring-inspired wrapping paper for any of your friends who are born in this time of year. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the materials that you need for this. First, a potato, a knife. I have brown wrapping paper already, but if you don't have that, you can use paper grocery bags that you can repurpose and turn inside out and then just stamp right on that wrapping paper. Cutting board. Paint. I have acrylic, but you can use different types, whatever you have around. And lastly, this is optional. I already had this, which is can be used to carve into the potatoes to make more specific imprint designs, but that's not necessary, just if you have this. And also what works is a pumpkin carver. So anything that you would like to use to make designs inside of the stamp. I found that it's harder to do it with knives and a little more dangerous, so I would just avoid any designs if you don't have one. All right, so first what we're gonna do is cut the potato into our stamps. So you're gonna grab your cutting board, your knife, and your potato, and you're gonna cut it in thirds. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Doesn't have to be perfectly equal. And now what you're gonna do is decide on the shapes that you wanna make with your potatoes. So we have 3 different stamps here. Just to keep it easy, I'm gonna just keep one as a circle or an oval, whatever funky shape the potato is. And then I'll do a square and a triangle. These are really fail-proof, so, and come out really consistent. There you go. We got a square rectangle. I don't keep them perfectly shaped, just because I like it a little funkier, but you can also make it more equidistant between the sides. And then I'll do a triangle here. There you go, triangle. So now you have your 3 shapes, and how you're gonna do that is with the flat side, you're gonna dip that in paint and use them as stamps, just like so. All right, so next comes the fun part, where you actually get to stamp your potato stamps onto your wrapping paper. Here's my paint right here, so I'm gonna make a dollop on a paper plate. And then I have my wrapping paper right here. So I'm gonna choose my triangle stamp because I'm feeling most excited about that one. And I'm gonna dip it, as you can see, in my paint till it's thoroughly covered, like that. And I do it in a really random pattern. I'll just really stamp them anywhere on the wrapping paper, but you can also create a more established pattern with your stamps. And again, this is super easy, foolproof shapes, kind of kindergarten-like, but I think it looks good because it always comes out really consistently. But you can feel free to make them as creative and imaginative as you want. And also you can feel free to use all different types of colors and styles. All right, so now that I have the stamps all over, I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, so this is the finished product. I hope from this video you feel inspired to make some shapes of your own and make wrapping paper to send gifts to your loved ones during this time. Thank you for watching.